Wouldn't it be nice to have a vaccine against cancer? Well, there is one. According to the CDC, the human papillomavirus, or HPV, is the most common sexually transmitted infection. 79 million Americans are infected with the disease, most of whom are in their late teens and early 20s. The problem is that anyone who is sexually active can get infected with HPV, which can then lead to serious health problems such as cancer. The Guardian shared a story about the Hollywood actor Michael Douglas, who was diagnosed with oral cancer in 2010, which was caused by HPV. HPV is best known to cause genital warts as well as cervical and anal cancer, but research is now showing an increase in oral cancers. According to an interview conducted with Connie Trimble, MD, the director of the Johns Hopkins Center for Cervical Dysplasia, HPV also involves risk of head and neck cancer. And while women can get these cancers, most of the people who get it are heterosexual males. It is difficult to tell if you have HPV since most people with HPV don't even realize they are infected with it because they might not develop symptoms or health problems. You might have it without even realizing it. You don't want to wait to discover you have HPV by getting a diagnosis of cancer. So what I recommend to help prevent you from getting HPV is to get the vaccinations. You can get the HPV vaccine from clinics, health departments, private doctors, and even minute clinics like CVS Pharmacy. Without insurance, each vaccine can cost about $250, although many health insurance companies cover the HPV vaccines. Also, places like Planned Parenthood can help with providing the vaccine for low to even no cost. According to the National Cancer Institute, in the trials that led to the approval of HPV vaccinations, the vaccines were found to provide nearly 100% protection against persistent cervical infections with HPV types 16 and 18. The article also includes statistics that when compared with the time period before vaccination started, infections with HPV 16 and 18 decreased by 83% among girls aged between 15 to 19 years old, and by 66% among women aged between 20 and 24 years old. So, HPV is an issue that affects millions of Americans and can potentially lead to serious health problems such as cancer. Getting the HPV vaccinations are a way to help prevent these future cancers. So I want to leave you with a handout from Planned Parenthood that gives you facts about HPV as well as numbers to call to set up appointments to get your HPV vaccination today. So think about it. What if some simple vaccinations could help prevent you or someone you love from getting cancer?